Hello! Welcome to Adventures in TV Land! For today's adventure, we're going to fly across the country during this pandemic.
Right now, I'm on the shuttle bus that's taking me from the parking lot to the terminal at the airport. This place just looks so vacant. I guess even airports closed down somewhat. Never been to an airport that was this vacant before. Here they are de-icing the wings. It's hard to see, but that's what they're doing. So due to a late flight, I missed my connecting flight, and I'm awaiting the closest connection.
Face coverings when eating or drinking. You must wear your face covering at all other times during our flight. If you are unwilling to follow this requirement, you may not be allowed to fly with us in the future. In the event oxygen masks drop from an overhead compartment, remove any face covering prior to placing the mask over your nose and mouth. For your safety, we've made some temporary changes to our onboard service. On this flight, we will not provide a food and beverage service. If you need something, please let us know. Please refrain from placing used cleaning wipes, tissues, or other disposable items in the seat back pocket or toilets. We will now be walking through the cabin to ensure everyone is wearing a mask. Thank you for your cooperation and understanding. Now more than ever, we appreciate you choosing American. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight.
I've made it to my destination, and I am in my rental car. So, this adventure of flying across the country during a pandemic, as well as a tropical storm, has come to an end. Thanks for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you've disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me go, or if you just have a question or whatnot, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.